Let me show you how face yoga actually can improve your entire face. Usually when I talk to people about face yoga, their faces look like this. And they don't even realize that this is why we need face yoga. Look at this lady. Look how she develops her nasolabial folds, her eyes. Look, the crow's feet, yeah? Her 11 lines over here. This happens when we use our muscles, our facial muscles, to express emotions throughout the day. We tense our muscles. You see, that's why I always say you need to relax and lean out your facial muscles in order to improve your face and entire appearance and get rid of wrinkles. Because if this lady relaxes her muscles using my facial exercises, she will actually get rid of her nasolabial folds. She will get rid of her 11 lines. Yeah, as soon as we relax it, she will get rid of her crow's feet. As simple as that. That's why I always say that while doing facial exercises, you need to keep in mind three things. You need to relax your facial muscles using facial exercises. You need to lean them out using facial massages. And you need to breathe correctly to distress your mind and like this, distress your face even more. If you would like to learn more about face yoga and you would like to learn which exercises actually good for you, for your face and would work for you, go ahead and take my free agent type quiz and find out right now.